So there is no participants right now. Therefore, I'm not starting the session. Once the participants will join, then I will start the session. So in the meeting till now, we have six participants only. We are waiting for a few more, then we'll start the session. Okay, so we like it's been 5 minutes, so let's start. Other people may join in between the meeting. So hello everyone. I'm Surit Anand Singh, PhD student in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur. I welcome you all today again in the live session of the course Product Design and Manufacturing, which is offered by NPTEL under the course code of NOC 23 ME14. So I'm taking this live session by the opportunity provided to me from PMRF and NPTEL TACP scheme. So I will be interacting to you and discussing the problems and queries that you have uh, every week regarding this course, that is product design and manufacturing. So I hope you guys are learning and enjoying the course from the NPTEL and at a good pace. So although we are running late in this session, again we are going to cover the course content of week 3. Week 5 course content has been already posted, so I think we are running late by one week at least. Was this the assignments of assignment marks of week 3 is also displayed. So maybe in a couple of weeks we'll try to accelerate ourselves and go to like the particular week where the assignment has not been corrected, so that it will be more beneficial to you all. So yeah, this session, no Nikhil, actually I tried to like go for that. I have contacted some person that there are some issues in that. So I'm trying like maybe 1 week that the posting of course will be stopped for 1 week, and then will be in the same pace. But if not, like in next week, I will try to cover 2 week course, 2 weeks content together, and then we'll be in line with that. The NPTEL that posting the course per week, so we'll be in line with that. Uh, in today's session, I have prepared only for this course content of week 3 only. So maybe next week I will be trying to cover 2 weeks course content together. So yeah, so this session is again in the similar fashion. Those who are attending the regular sessions, like 2 sessions we have already conducted, and the link, like those who have missed, the link for that is shared with you all. It is there on the NPTEL that course platform. So you can go for that this what you can say doubt session or discussion session is there's a link, and then in that link you will find the links for the presentation and the YouTube video and the backup video link. So you can, if you have missed and if you are interested to go through the content that what we have discussed, so you can go and watch the content from YouTube video, or that is the recorded session is there on the YouTube. And then if you just want to see the presentation, the slide is already shared on the Google Drive, so you can check out there. Okay, so we are starting this session. I'm going to ask you some questions, and then you will be answering. It will be good if you will answer and will participate in this session. So it will be very beneficial to you, and also it will motivate me to do further things. Okay, so I'm starting the session. The very first question is going to be on your screen now. First question is says, Which of the following is a secondary color? It's a very simple question. The very first lecture of week three, Professor J. Ramkumar has discussed this. Which of the following is a secondary color? First answer is there, which is C. A is not correct answer. B. Okay, so B is the answer given by Nikhil. I request others, Sandeep, Suresh, Sanjay, to answer this question. One more answer we got B. Suresh also saying B. Sanjay is saying C. Okay. Okay, so let's see what is the answer. So I think this is the content that you have seen in the slide. Professor has uh, taught by like handwritten notes in the slide. So it says like which these are the classification of colors, right? So in the classification of colors, we have so we have like primary colors. So in primary colors, there are three colors: yellow, red, and blue. And by mixing these colors, we go forward and we can create or we can make different colors. So here we are going for let's look better. Yes, yes, yes. This slides are already what I said. Slides are already shared. It is the link for that Google slide is given under the like in the NPTEL platform. When you open that NPTEL platform, I'll show you that where you can find that. So okay, just let me show you first, then I will discuss it. I think my screen is visible to you all. So when you go to this course, so in the course, you'll find this link, problem solving session. So when you open this problem solving session, again there is a link which is opening another page. So this is a what you can say spreadsheet. So these are the YouTube links. These are the this is the link for the slides. So you can open it and you can get the slides. So in a single Google Slides, the every week course content I'm just like updating it, and then these are the backup links. So you can watch the video from this YouTube links and you can check the presentation. You can see the presentation from this one.
So, sir, even the old slides, like last
Yes,
two
yes,
online sessions are also which you conducted.
yes,
They are
yes,
also
yes, yes,
there.
yes,
Yeah,
yes. Yeah.
yeah.
So
Okay,
this
thank you.
so in this link you will find the what you can say the like from session one. So from live session one, then two, then three, and it will be
Okay, okay.
updated. Okay, every week
Great,
I
great.
will have. I'll be updating
Otherwise,
this
we
one.
were taking unnecessarily taking print screens, and it was
No,
very
no, no,
difficult.
no. So like in the very first session, I just asked you that the all the course content that I'm presenting in front of you and the recording of this video will be available to you all.
Great, great. Thank you, sir.
So from here
Thank you.
you can find this. So this was the thing. Now let's move to the today's session. We are here. Yes. So we were here. So what we are discussing about the classification of colors, right? So in classification of colors, like there are three primary colors, which are yellow, red, and blue, that we already know. Okay, and here, like from these three colors, we can make some secondary colors. So like mixing of yellow and red will give us orange. Then mixing of this what do you can say, red with blue will give purple, and then mixing of yellow with blue will give us green. So this happens like if you want to try, you can have that yellow sketch pen, red sketch pen, and blue sketch pen at your home. You can just try. You just apply some yellow color and then apply some red over it, or over red you will apply some yellow over yellow color. So you will see that the color appears on the that drawing paper will be orange, right? In our like childhood, we already have done this. So this is a very basic thing that we are practicing. So from secondary, then again we can go to the tertiary colors. So like if you are going to mix this orange and green, so you will get citron color. Okay, that is yellowish gray, and then similarly you are going to get some different colors. So from secondary to tertiary, and then tertiary to quaternary, you will get some different color palettes. Okay, so all these we have already tried. So the question was, which of the following is a secondary color? Okay, so this yellow is comes under primary. This green is a secondary color. So option B is the correct answer. C again is a tertiary, and none of this is not a like this. These options are not correct. So the answer is green. This is B. So I think Sanjay, now you have understood why C option is incorrect, right? So moving to the next question, question number 2 will be on your screen now. It says name of the following series is. So this is a number series on your screen. The number start from 0, then 1, then again 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and so on. So it will be like continuous series. So this is a which series? This number represent which series? So there are different options. There's this Fibonacci series, geometric series, arithmetic series, and progression series. So all these series we have studied in class, I think class 10th and 10th, 11th mathematics. So we have a greater understanding of that. What are these series represent? So okay, we are getting answers are A. Okay, yeah, so this obviously this is a Fibonacci series. Yes, answer is that. So like for a reminder, like what is Fibonacci series? So there's the formula for Fibonacci series is like Fn, the nth number will be summation of n minus 1 and then Fn minus 2. So like suppose like there is some default assumption. So the first two number will be 0 and 1. 0 and 1 will be the first two number for that. And then if you want to go for finding this third number, so what you have to do, you have to sum this. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. So third number will be 1. Then for next fourth number, you have to sum the like a number before it, and then another number before that number. So like you have to sum 1 plus 1, so you will get 2, right? Then you will if you go for next number, so you have to sum these two number, like the number which is coming just before that, and another number before that. So 2 plus 1 will get 3. Then for next you will add this 3 and 2, then you will get 5, right? So in this pattern you will see you will get 8, then 8, 5, 13, and 21, 34, like this. So this is a Fibonacci series. This is how Fibonacci series is constructed. Okay, so one very important thing that you may be missing from this. So there is a golden rule. Okay, so in the course you have studied about golden rule. So if you go and calculate the golden rule, the golden rule is like the ratio of this number 3 by 2 something. Sorry, I'm missing something. Like golden rule also defined here, like get defined here. So it is 1.16, that number comes here. Okay, yeah, 1.6181 is the golden ratio. So golden ratios are the like ratios between these numbers. Okay, so if you are going to get the ratio of like 5 by 3 something, so maybe addition, let me check it. If we divide 5 by 3, so are we getting that number? Yes. So if we are going to like, it will be around 1.6 something, right? 1.6. So anything design in the progression, good design. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yes, so it is a like only for like designing the thing. So very at a very early stage, like people have defined this golden rule. These are Greek rules actually. Uh, So this is what I was telling you. So if you divide like 5 by 3, you will get something 1.6. Then again, if you go divide like 8 by 5 also, so you will get the same 1.6. Okay, so I'm getting that same 8 divided by 5. Yeah, it is 1.6. So around 1.6. Yeah, 1.6 we are getting. Other one after 0.618, it is something like it is not same, but yeah, you will get 1.6 for definite, for sure. You can try it. So this is the Fibonacci series. Okay, next is geometric series. So we all have studied about geometric series. I hope you all can recall it. What are the geometric series? So in geometric series there are the ratios of the number, right? So there is a ratio, like R is the ratio number. So if you divide by like first like there are two terms, like at first place and second place, and like there is a second place. So if you divide second place number by first place, and then it will be equal to the like uh, if you divide the third place number with second place number. Okay, so this ratio will be same, and that ratio is R. So for that, there's a generalized formula for constructing any geometric series is AN is equal to A. A is the first number, R is the ratio, and N is the number, the place number. So through this, you can construct a geometric series. Okay. Then arithmetic series is there. Arithmetic series is like a summation of that. Here we are getting the ratio. Here we are getting the summation. So there's some number difference. Suppose there's a like uh, uh, first place number, second place number, and third place number are there. So if you subtract second place number with first place number, you will get some difference D. Okay, and that same difference D will be here also. So if this kind of series is followed, so it is a arithmetic series. Okay, and then there is a progression series. Progression series is a generalized series which is like progressing, uh, like it is similar to that arithmetic series only, but it is generalized term. So I hope you got a fair idea. You all got the fair idea about what these series are all about, and what is the Fibonacci series and how it is constructed. Right? Okay. Now we are moving to the third question. So the answer is Fibonacci series for this question. The third question says, which of the following factors affect the aesthetic design? So you all are familiar with this term aesthetic design. Okay. So which of the following factors affect the aesthetic design? Is it form transition, proportion, product graphics, or all of these? So we are getting the similar answer D. Yes, the answer is all of these. So aesthetic design is something, a design which represent the look of the product. Okay. So suppose if you're going to design any product and it is not looking good. Okay. So what you can say, like it is a very generalized statement that first impression is the last impression, right? So if the first impression by seeing your product, if consumer is not or customer is not happy, okay, so he will not incline to purchase your product at first. Later on, maybe if your product has capability of solving some problem, or it has some good reliability, and it has some extra advanced application, so maybe he or she can purchase. But just by looking at your product, he will not be what you can say happy if the aesthetic designs are not, like if its aesthetics are not good. So aesthetic design plays a very crucial role in any of the product designing. Okay, so nowadays it is very important because if you can see, if you can monitor, like you can recall the how design has changed now, right? So initial days, like what design, like, yeah, if you can see the example of jug. Okay, so this is a jug in front of me, so you can see how beautifully they have designed this jug. Initially, if you can recall at your childhood, so you can see, if you can recall, jugs were also there, but those jugs were not like this. Okay, so they have like, these are the beautiful, what you can say, they have beautiful design at their the cover of this. Okay, and then they have made some graphics over it. Okay, then the base stand is something like, they have made some different, the handle is something different. This jug was already present, like, it is there in the market. Okay, but due to like, with the change of time, the aesthetic of this jug has changed. Now more beautiful jugs this is just example. If you go market, and you can see different designs of jugs, right? So the purpose is same, it contains water, or whatever we can fill it. So it is used for the same application, same, the requirement is same, and the purpose is same, but the design, due to design, people attract towards the good looking one. Like, if you are, and then sorry. So, and then on the basis of this design only, they used to cost, like, increase the cost of the product. Okay, so if you go and purchase a simple plain jug, that will cost you like least amount, and if you go for some like very different design jug, so it will be costlier than that, right? So these are the like, aesthetic design is now playing a very, like, what you can say, crucial factor in the product design. Similarly, for other things also, if you can see, bike. Okay, so initially the bikes, if you have seen at your childhood, the design of the bikes were like similar kind of. Okay, some change, some with some minor changes. Different companies like Bajaj, Honda, Hero Honda, and that Suzuki, Yamaha, they have similar kind of bikes. Okay, similar designs of bikes, so little changes. But now you can see there, like, designs, how design has been evolved. Okay, the aesthetic, the engine is again, the power of engine is only 150 cc. Okay, but you can, in that 150 cc engine, how the body of that bike is different. Okay, for different models, and people are more attracted, like, it depends upon what kind of bike you want. So it, like, if you are a sporty person, you will go with that section of bike. Okay, if you want more comfort, you will go with a flatter seat, and something like that. Okay, but the content, the purpose is same, but the aesthetic design, the look is different, and because of look, because of that particular design, the cost is different, and people, different section of people are attracted toward different designs of the that vehicle, right? So that's why this aesthetic design is very important, and it is a crucial factor for any product design in manufacturing, and like, any places. So answer for this question is all of these. We are moving towards next question. Question number 4 will be on your screen now. Question number 4, again, it's a color question. So it says, which of the following color is of calming type color? Okay, so there are color which we say calming type color, means after seeing those color, we feel soothing. Okay, so this is also also discussed in the class, like, why we need like different colors. Okay, so this color is also comes to the aesthetic part. So like, uh, what I can say, if that we have different color options. So if you can see the phone, so in this phone only, you can find black color option, white color option, red color option. So as per the like, what suits you, what you want. Okay, you purchase that. Okay, so like t-shirts also, there are different colors. Okay, people prefer different sections of people prefer different color. Okay, some prefer whites, or maybe depending upon occasion, people used to wear the clothes. Okay, if you are going for some marriage, people used to wear some bright clothes. If they are going for some party, there's some shiny clothes and some clothes which are like attractive, like attracting your eyes. Okay, and if you're going for like some maybe condolence for some condolence or some like funeral, so that color is not much brighter. People do not prefer much brighter color. Okay, so similarly for product also, what kind of color should be painted over that over it, it plays an important role. Okay, so calming colors are the colors which like provide soothing to our eyes, so they are very they're not very bright and all. Okay, so yes, we have got options are B. Okay, yes, so green color comes under this calming type color. Red and gold are the bright colors. Okay, so if you see red and gold, so they are like, what you can say, they are very bright colors. So our eyes goes and strike over it. Okay, if like red and green, so you can see, like, suppose this is the red color I am using. Okay, and then if I change the color palette to, oh sorry, so if I change the color to this green. Okay, so this red looks much brighter than this green, right? So if someone sees this screen very first time, so all colors are different, but his eyes must be go strike this red color will comes into his eyes first. Okay, this will be what you can say, a point of attraction for this slide. Okay, although we have this different blue color is there, but it is not getting noticed at very first appearance, right? So this is the what color difference is all about. Okay, so the calming type color in from these options are green. Okay, going to the next question. Question number 5 is on the screen now. It says there's a fill in the blanks which we have to fill. Uh, Balance is created through a balance access point or visual center. So which type of balance is created through a balance access point or visual center? So answer are like options are symmetric balance, radial balance, asymmetric balance, or none of these. So we got two answers A and one answer B. Okay, so just read this sentence very carefully. That what we are going, we what we are wanting, we want to create balance through balance access point or some visual center. Okay, okay, so yes, so people are changing their answer. Yes, now they have realized that what we are talking about. So if there is like symmetricity around a balance axis or some visual point, so it is definitely a radial balancing. Okay, so in symmetric balancing, what is there? So there like there are two parts, okay, or maybe three parts, I can say, or four parts. So these parts are symmetric to like, my drawing is very poor here. So if it passes through a center, so these all parts are symmetric, right? And for like if suppose this is a circle, suppose so this the if like if this is the axis, okay, just like a ring, suppose a ring or a tire of a vehicle. So this is the axis around which like entire there are different designs. Okay, so these designs are symmetric towards this axis, the axis which is passing to its center. So this is called as a radial balancing. And in asymmetric, like this is that figure which is appearing here, this is an asymmetric kind of thing, right? So the radial balance is created through a balance axis or visual center. Okay, now question number 6 is on the screen. Question number 6 says, which of the following is the reason that a consumer will purchase a product? Okay, so suppose you are a what you can say, designer or a manufacturer. You're a manufacturer and you have manufactured a product. Then as a manufacturer perspective, what you think that what are the qualities that are required in your product so that consumer get attracted towards your product and he or she should purchase your product for sure. Okay, so before manufacturing, all these things need to be kept into mind, that why we are manufacturing the product, why this product is required. Okay, so there are certain questions that should be answered, and then only the product should be manufactured for, like, for gaining the profit. Otherwise you can unnecessarily end up with manufacturing a product which is not like getting consumed in the market. Okay, so the options which are given here are that the product manufacturer has a great reputation. So is it important that a product manufacturer has a great reputation and then only the customer will the customer will purchase the product? It is always not true, right? So sometimes maybe reputation will work sometimes. For sometimes, like suppose in a market like this market of electronics, if some Apple product is launched, okay, so people will go and purchase for some time because they have made their like reputation in the market. Okay, but if the product fails to work or fails to their expectation, next time they will definitely not go to purchase that Apple product. Okay, so product always not hit to the market due to the reputation of the manufacturer, right? So if it was it is like that, though other brands could not survive in the market, right? So this is not a great thing. Okay, which is like this may be not a correct answer. Then second is the product is not simple to use. So as a customer, you will definitely not purchase a product which is not simple in use. Okay, if you suppose if you're going to purchase what you can say a pen, okay, and in the purpose of the pen is to write on the paper, okay, but for opening that pen you required some different keys and locks and everything. So why will you purchase that pen in spite of you can purchase a pen which is having simply this cap and thing? Okay, so if this cap thing is there, so it is fine. That should be of use. But if this cap is locked by some digital code and something like that, if that kind of pen is manufactured by a manufacturer, so that will be not popular for in the market, right? So this product, the usage of the product should be in a simple manner so that a common man with uh, a degree of information about the product, he or she can easily use the product. Okay, the third option is agreeable to utilize and at least fulfill the basic needs. Yes, so this is what we as a customer we require. Okay, we require to utilize that product, and that product must fulfill the basic need, that why we are purchasing that product. Okay, so if you are purchasing that pen and if it is not able to write itself, okay, so that is the worst thing. So we just want that, yeah, a pen should be there which should help us in writing, okay, writing on a paper. So that's it. So this is the answer for this question, which says like this is the reason why a customer should definitely purchase the product, is that it can be utilizable and can fulfill the basic need of a customer, right? So I hope you everyone got the fair idea about that, how this customer behaviors, or like we all are a customer at some certain point of time, and we all know that why we are purchasing a product and what type of product we are purchasing, what we require in that. Okay, so before purchasing a product, we always think about that. At back of the mind, we always think about that. Although we are now studying the same thing, okay, the philosophy, the science of the thing that we are studying here, but it is at our back end of mind always process. This is a good product. Why should I purchase this product? Okay, so this is the thing. Moving to the next question. Question number 7 will be on your screen. It is a true false type question. So there's a statement. Statement is performance of the product should specifically fulfill the customer's most vital necessity. Performance of the product should specifically fulfill the customer's most vital necessity. So what is the necessity of a customer from a product? Product should perform or it should not perform? We got a sufficient number of answer A, yes. So the performance of the product is the only thing that a customer want. Okay, if product is not performing, what for, of what use it is for a customer? Okay, that may be a valuable thing for a manufacturer who has manufactured that product. That product may be having some value in eyes of those manufacturer, but for a product utilizer, the consumer, the customer who is purchasing that product, he just want the performance from that product, right? Everyone wants the performance from that product, only that the product that he or she has purchased. If you purchased a laptop today and tomorrow if it goes dead, so you will definitely not like that. Okay, what you want, your laptop should last long and perform and do your task. Okay, so this is what thing, that performance of the product is there specifically should fulfill the customer need, and that is the necessity of like the a customer required. Okay, so this is a true statement. Now, question number 8 is on your screen. It is again a fill in the blanks type question. So, the fill in the blanks. It says, which are certain attributes of an item that make it one of a kind and recognize it from the opposition. So, is it exciter type, expector type, unspoken type, or spoken type? Which type of attribute which make a product like make it one of a kind and recognize it from opposition? So these are the attributes which a customer has, okay, and from a product. Okay, so if you go to buy a product, so you have some expectation from a product. Okay, some expectation, with some expectation you go to the market. Then when you go to that particular shop and the retailer start giving you some options. Okay, so if you go to purchase, like, again, that mobile phone only, so at the shop you will find different mobile phones. So when you thought first time that you are going to purchase a mobile, so you have some basic expectation that yes, your mobile should have camera, your mobile should have touch screen, your mobile should have uh, this sound quality, this Bluetooth option, 5G. Right now that 5G is in the boom, so now people will prefer 5G. Okay, so my option is A, etc. A very special expectation that make a product. Yes, yes, yes. So we'll see what is the answer. Definitely, it is answer A only. Okay, because this only makes the these are the what you can say attributes of an item that makes it different and unique and recognition, and then it is preferred by customer over the other competitive product. Okay, so what I'm talking about, a mobile example of a mobile phone. If you are going to purchase a mobile phone, you have some expectation. Okay, so these are the some expectation that yes, it is required. Now some expectation are unspoken. Okay, means you are, if you are going to purchase a mobile, you are not going, like, if you will not say ki, okay, will it perform making call or not? Okay, this is some unspoken expectation. Yes, definitely it is used for that. We are going to purchase a phone for only for making call. That is a basic purpose. Okay, that should be there. Okay, and then there are some spoken thing. So like if you go and if you are like ki, if you're going to purchase phone for yourself, you definitely have some color options. Okay, so you'll go to the retailer and you just spoke about the color. Okay, so I want white color phone. Okay, so this is your spoken expectation. Okay, like spoken thing, that what you required in a item. Okay, so you wanted that particular white color phone. Okay, so you will speak that, and then some of the things that makes the product very unique. So if he's showing some product, okay, some phone like 3 4 5 phone options, like white color phones are there, then it is 5G, then it is having camera, and then something like that. But suppose suddenly some very different feature comes in that budget. Okay, so like if you're going for that phone and then that phone has some flip option. Okay, or maybe some certain feature which is very unique in that, so that makes that phone very unique, right? So you will go for that. Okay, this is the feature that I wanted, and that is the exciter for me, and then you will purchase that particular mobile phone, right? So this is in this context you can understand what are the attributes of a product that is required by a customer. And these are the very basic examples that I'm trying to from which I'm trying to explain the concept. Okay, so I hope you are understanding these things, and it is helpful to you in understanding the concepts, right? So the answer for this question is exciters only. So as Nikhil has said, that yes, exciters are the special uh, exceptional delighter which should make your product stand out of the market from other. Yes. So these are the different level of features that makes a product uh, look or appear very different in a what you call, in a pool from a pool of products, similar kind of products, right? So now we are moving to the next question. Question number 9 is on the screen. Which of the following sources can be used to obtain the existing information? So as a manufacturer, this existing information about the product is very important. Okay, so when we are planning to produce or manufacture a product, so it is very important to have an idea about the existing information about any product related to that. Okay, so suppose you are going to manufacture maybe what you want to manufacture now. So okay, so if you're going to manufacture this headphone, okay, so if your company is going to manufacture this headphone, so if you have a better idea that what are the expectation of the customer, okay, what are the new feature that people want, okay, what are the things that attracting a customer, what type of headphones are very popular in the market, then only you will be ready with a unique type of product that will goes to the market and people will appreciate it, right? So these informations are very crucial at very early stage when we are planning for producing a product. Okay, so the existing information can be accessed from company sales records, survey, focus group, or all of these. So for existing information, the company sales record is the best suitable place from where we can get the existing information, because the company sales the sales record have like how much product, like there's some similar kind of headphone have been uh, it was purchased by the customers. Okay, though we do surveys for after like launching the product, okay, or for the older product, with the in a view of getting the feedback from the users. Okay, and then focus group is something like you can just distribute your product to a certain group of people, and then you will ask them for feedback, how this is working, or what are the expectation for that particular group. Okay, so suppose if you are making some what you can say, some devices for elderly persons, okay, so you are not going to get feedback from of that particular device from the younger generation. You will be only focusing to that elderly people only. Okay, so all these are very strategic thing, and that is very important in any of the product manufacturing or designing. Okay, moving to the next question. The question says, it's a filling the blanks again. It says like, which of the following demonstrate the relationships of customer necessity to the designing qualities of the item. So we are getting some answers. Answers are B. Okay. So which of the following demonstrate the relationship of customer necessities to the designing quality of the item? Okay. So existing information, quality function deployment, house of quality, none of these. So we got some answers B only. So this time one answer is correct only. House of quality is something which demonstrate the relationship. So in the session, if you see the last lecture, so house of quality was discussed in very elaborated manner. Okay, so that house of quality gives you the what you can say, some certain values, some certain things which relates some matrices, okay, which relates the expectation or desire of a customer with the quality of the item. Okay, so this is there. So house of quality is the thing which is demonstrating the relationship among the customer necessity and the designing quality of the items. Okay, so for this session, these are all the questions that I have. This in this week, people didn't have asked any like great question on the discussion forum. Only like they have one question. Like two people have asked same question, that they have doubt in the quiz question number 4. Some color was there, and then their options were incorrect. They were thinking, and then the clarification is already provided there. So I hadn't taken any question from the discussion forum. So now from my side, that's all. Now it's your turn. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, you can ask it to me. Okay. So as far this the question answer session and discussion session, the two sections are over. Now the session is open to you all. If you have any query, you can ask it to me. I will be happy to answer your queries. If you don't have any query, you can feel free to leave the session, and you can join next session on next Saturday. Okay. If you have any query, you can ask it to me. I am here only. I will be here till 5 p.m. So for answering your queries. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So kindly ask your question. If you have any query, you can ask it to me. I will be happy to answer that. Any query related to this course? If you don't have any query, you can leave this meeting.
No, hello, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
just a broad distinguishing differences between quality function deployment and house of quality. Just broadly, okay. I gone through it, but there's a fine difference.
Okay, okay. So
Say, as I understand, QFD is more for capturing customer requirements. Am I correct? And house
yes,
of
yes.
quality is for designing.
Yeah, so yes, you are correct. But yeah, so some certain things are there. Like in when this quality function deployment is like it is like what you can say, it captures the behavior of that customer. Okay, so what is the requirement or what is the necessity that is making a customer to purchase the product. Okay, so what are the expectation of the customer, what are the requisite of the customer. Okay, so all these are covered in the quality function deployment. Okay, so if you want to purchase some product, then you have some your some demands, okay, from a manufacturer, that yes, you want this features. So this covers in the quality function deployment. While in this house of quality, the relation between all the functionalities, okay, and what kind of all the what you can say characteristics of a product, requirement of the product, features, okay, consumer demand, and everything is covered, and then all are analyzed together in a form of matrix relations, okay. So which will help manufacturer to design his to better design his or her product, okay. So this is the in the house of quality we are doing the analysis part, and in that QFD we are collecting the data kind of.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. Thank you. Saurabh, do you have any question? So if you have any question, you can ask it to me. Okay, so it's going to be 5:15 and that's all for today. We'll meet again next Saturday, same time in the same meeting link, and we will discuss week 4 content. Uh, I'll try to cover week 5 content also so that we can get on the same page uh, with the NPTEL course portal. Uh, Maybe week 4 and week 5 we'll cover together, and then onwards we'll go week 6 and all, so that before your assignment submission we'll covering that particular section and your doubts will be clear. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining the session. You can connect me on with this visiting my profile, and if you have any query you can ask me over email or anything by contacting me. So thank you very much.